How to contact a Shein's customer service. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to teach you guys on how to contact these Shein's customer support assistants. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser and then search for a Shein website, that is www.shein.com, in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then you will be directed to the official website as Shein. And if you don't have an account yet, you can still access the Shein's customer support by visiting their website. Now from the website, you can click on the headphone icon over here and click on the customer service option directly. Or you can also go to the bottom of the page and under the customer care, click on the contact us button over here. On the help center page, find the contact us or customer service section at the bottom. Click on it and select a relevant topic. Shein offers different contact options based on your query. You can type your issue in the message box for the real-time chat. Shein provides the contact methods like live chat, email, or phone support. Choose your preferred mode and provide the necessary details like the order number and description of the issue. Submit your request, and for the live chat or the phone support, you will connect with the representative. With email support, expect a response within a time frame and contact options based on your location and query. Check Shein's website for the current details. So this was all about how to contact Shein's customer service. If you found this video to be informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.